Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you have completed your previous task of exercise 1.1. Question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Students, today we will discuss the quadratic formula. What is a quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is basically a solution of a standard quadratic equation. I am having the standard quadratic equation. This you are familiar with the standard quadratic equation. Is equals to 0 is said to be the standard quadratic equation. You have to solve this quadratic equation by the method of completing square. The first step of completing square is that you have to shift the constant on right hand side. Second step of completing square method is that you have to make the coefficient of x square 1. For that purpose you have to divide the coefficient of x square by all the terms. A will be cancelled. You will be having b over a x is equals to minus c over a. The third step is that you have to half the coefficient of x. Half the coefficient of x in rough work. The new number you will get b by 2a. The new numbers whole square you have to add on both the sides. New numbers whole square you will add on both the sides. Now you have, it is your formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. It will be equal to a plus b whole square. On right hand side we will simplify this. B square over 4a square. Now we will take the LCM. 4a square will be your LCM minus 4 and 1a will multiply this 4ac plus b square. Now further we will simplify this. Okay students, now we are having this expression. Take the square root on both the sides to find the value of x. Square root and square will be cancelled. X plus b by 2a is equals to plus minus. Inside this square root I will separate with the numerator and with the denominator. With the numerator inside, first of all I will write the positive term b square and then I will write the negative term divided by 4a square root. When I will take, it will be 2a. Now we have to find the value of x. We will shift this plus b over 2a on the other side. It will be minus b over 2a plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Again we will take the LCM. 2a will be LCM minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac is your value of x. So this is the solution of your standard quadratic equation. Okay students, now so this is said to be your quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. If someone will ask from you in the paper or in the test that what is the quadratic formula or derive the quadratic formula, to derive the quadratic formula you have to find the solution of your standard quadratic equation. This is said to be the derivation of a quadratic formula, and this is said to be the quadratic formula you will use in exercise 1.2. Students, in the standard quadratic equation the variable involved here is x, so that's why on the left side we have taken x. If the variable involved in your given equation will be y, you will take here y is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now what are ABCs here? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant here. Now students, we will start exercise 1.2. question number 1. Question number 1 is that solve the quadratic equation by the quadratic formula, and we are having the equation. Part number 3 I have taken. So first of all, whatever you are having the expression, first of all you have to write your given expression in the form of standard quadratic equation. Means first of all you will write x square term, and then you will write x term, and then you will write constant. So we will shift the constant on this side. Constant will be minus 2 under root 3 is equals to 0. It is your standard form of a quadratic equation. Now we will take the value of a. The coefficient of x square is the value of a. The coefficient of x, here nothing is written here, so the coefficient of x, b, is equals to 1, and the constant with the sign is the value of c. We are having the quadratic formula as the variable involved here x, so we are having the quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we will put the values of a, b and c. The value of b is 1. The coefficient of x is the value of b, and the value of b is 1 whole square minus 4. The value of a is under root 3, and the value of c is minus 4 under root 3 divided by 2, and the value of a is square root of 3 is equals to minus 1 plus minus. We will simplify inside the square root. 1 square is 1, minus multiplied by minus will be plus, 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16, multiplied by under root 3 multiplied by under root 3 will be 3. Students, directly you can solve 4 under root 3 multiplied by 4 under root 3 from the calculator as well, or you can solve in this way as well. Divided by 2 square root of 3 is equals to minus into 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 48 divided by 2 under root 3. Now we have to simplify this as well. X is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 49 is 7 divided by 2 under root 3. Now we have to separate it. Once we will write with plus 7 over 2 under root 3, and once we will write x is equals to minus 1 minus 7 over 2 under root 3. Okay, x is equals to 6 over 2 under root 3, and x is equals to minus 8 over 2 under root 3. After cutting, is equals to 3 over under root 3, and x is equals to 2 4s minus 4 over square root of 3. Because of this square root of 3 and in the numerator there is a 3, any number can be written in the form of square root 2 times. Square root of 3, square root of 3, 3 can be written square root of 3, square root of 3, 4 can be written square root of 4, square root of 4. So we have written 3 in the form of square root 3, so that one square root will be cancelled from here. There is no need to write 4 in the form of square root 4, because in the denominator there is square root 3. It will not be cancelled, so we will leave this as it is. Now we will write the solution set. Solution set you are having is equals to under root 3 and minus 4 over under root 3. Okay students, I have taken part number 9 of question number 1, that is a over x minus b plus b over x minus a is equals to 2. This type of question, students, first of all you have to write in the form of standard quadratic equation. First of all, you have to simplify it, and all of you are familiar now with the method how we can simplify the fractional equation and how we can write this in the form of standard quadratic equation. First of all, here I will take the LCM. LCM is x minus b and x minus a, and I will multiply the LCM with all the terms on both the sides. Okay students, now I have taken the LCM and I have multiplied the LCM on both the sides with all the terms. Now I will write, and I have cancelled x minus b with x minus b, x minus a with x minus a. Now I will write the remaining terms. I will multiply a inside the bracket. It will be ax minus a square plus bx minus b square is equals to 2, and multiply these two brackets, x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. Now you have to simplify. Bx minus b square is equals to 2. I will multiply inside. 2x square minus 2ax minus 2bx plus 2ab. Now shift all the terms on one side of equality. Ax minus a square plus bx minus b square minus 2x square minus plus, it will be plus on this side, and plus 2bx minus 2ab is equals to 0. I have shifted all the terms on one side. Now I will arrange them. First of all, we will write x square term. 2x square minus 2x square is the x square term only. Now we will write x term. Now ax term we can simplify. Ax and 2ax, it is okay. Now ax plus 2ax is 3ax, bx and 2bx is plus 3bx, and I will write all the constants in which no x is there. A square minus b square minus 2ab is equals to 0. A plus 3b, I have taken x common, minus a square minus b square minus 2ab is equals to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. This is your value of a. The coefficient of x is the value of b, and this complete constant minus a square minus b minus 2ab is the value of c. Now we will put these values in the quadratic formula. Okay students, now I have put the values of a, b and c in the given quadratic equation as the quadratic formula. Variable involved here is x, so I have taken the variable x here in the formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. The value of b is 3a plus 3b. I have put value of b 3a plus 3b minus 4. Instead of a I have put minus 2, and instead of c I have put minus a square minus b square minus 2ab. Now a little bit simplification we have to do. Minus 3a plus 3b will be as it is, plus minus square. Okay, it will be a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab is your 18ab. Now we solve this 4ac term. Minus minus plus, 4 to the 8 plus 8. It will be plus 8, and when I will multiply plus 8 with minus a square, it is minus 8a square, plus 8 when I will multiply with minus b square, it is minus 8b square, plus 8 whenever multiply with minus 2ab, it is minus 8 to the 16ab. Now we have to simplify in the denominator. Here it is minus 4. Now we will simplify the like terms. 9a square minus 8a square will be a square. 9b square minus 8b square will be b square. 18ab minus 16ab will be 2ab. Okay students, now a square b plus b square plus 2ab will be left here, and it is the formula of a plus b whole square. So instead of that we will write a plus b whole square. The square and square root will be cancelled, and we are having minus 3a minus 3b plus minus a plus b over minus 4. Now we will write once with plus and once with minus. Okay students, so this is our final expression. Once we will write with plus sign, minus 3a minus 3b plus a plus b divided by minus 4. Minus 3a minus 3b minus, because there is outside there is minus sign, because of the minus sign inside the bracket sign will be changed. Minus a minus b. Now we will simplify the like terms. X is equals to minus 3a and plus a is minus 2a. Minus 3a and plus b is minus 2b divided by minus 4. X is equals to minus 3a minus a is minus 4a. Minus 3a minus b is minus 4b divided by minus 4. Now here we will take minus 2 common. A plus b divided by minus 4. And from here we will take minus 4 common. A minus b over minus 4. Now we are having the final answer, a plus b divided by 2, and x is equals to a plus b, because when we will take minus 4 common, inside the bracket sign will be changed, a plus b. So our solution set we have to write is a plus b by 2 and a plus b. So this is our solution set. Students, now I have taken the 10th part. In the 10th part, same is the case here. The first step is that you have to write your given expression in the form of standard quadratic equation. We have to arrange it. We will write x square term and then x term and then constant in the end. Now we will write this, solve this by the quadratic formula. As you are familiar, the coefficient of x square is the value of a, the coefficient of x is the value of b, and the constant with the sign plus minus is the value of c. And in this equation, as the variable involved is x, so we will take the formula with x minus b plus minus square root of, students you have to learn this formula, b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay students, so I have put the value of b square minus 4, a is minus l and b is minus into l plus m. So it is the value of c, minus 4a and c divided by 2 into a. Now I will simplify and open the whole square. Minus 2l plus m will be as it is, plus minus square root of, I have to open the whole square, a plus b whole square formula will be a square plus b square plus 2ab, minus minus plus and plus minus minus, 4 multiplied by l will be 4l. Inside the bracket l plus m will be left, divided by minus 2l. 2l plus m plus minus square root of 4l square plus m square plus 4lm minus 4l square plus minus minus 4l m. 4 plus minus 4lx square or plus 4lx square will be cancelled. 4lm minus 4lm will be cancelled, divided by minus 2l. You are having x is equals to minus 2l plus m plus minus square root of m square divided by minus 2l. Square root will be cancelled. Minus 2l plus m plus minus m over minus 2l. Okay students, once we will write with plus m, once we will write with minus m. X is equals to minus 2l minus m plus m divided by minus 2l. X is equals to minus 2l minus m divided by minus 2l minus m. Plus m minus m will be cancelled. X is equals to minus 2l over minus 2l. X is equals to minus 2l minus 2m. Minus m will be minus 2m. Minus 12 will be cancelled. X is equals to 1. X is equals to minus 2. You can take common L plus m over minus 2l. Minus 2 will be cancelled. You are having L plus m over L. So your solution set is equals to 1 and L plus m over L. Okay students, from exercise 1.2 I have solved part number 3. Part number 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6 are same as part number 3, and then I have solved part number 9 and 10. Part number 7 and 8 are same as part number 9. So you have to complete the exercise 1.2. Okay students, so your today's diary is exercise 1.2. Question number 1. All the parts from part number 1 to 10 you have to practice on your NEET registers, and you have to prepare the test of exercise 1.1. To prepare the test of exercise 1.1, you have to practice exercise 1.1 again on your rough register, and try to practice the examples as well on your rough register. All the tasks of exercise 1.1 you have to practice on rough register to prepare the test.